Okay, doing another install today. Freaking truck is right here. Look at that. Bilco. You got this retard over here. There's our unit. Pretty freaking sweet setup here. We go down here. And there she is. So this is just a simple change out. So it should be pretty good. Line says getting flush per order. It runs all the way. Why is it always, come on, focus. It runs over there, which, I mean, it's doable, but the order says flush, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if we're gonna be able to add the second pipe, but they do have the power vent. Usually when it's power vented, usually you can leave it open like that, but it does run up high and then through all that. So we'll have to check the local codes because we're in Jersey, see if we're if that's acceptable or not for that. And then another fun thing is they put that there. This is all for one thermostat because they use 2-wire for everything. So probably just gonna rip all that out and just use 1 wire like a normal freaking human. But yeah, shouldn't be too bad. I don't know why they didn't replace that, but yeah, no. So yeah, let's get started and get this moving. Today should be a nice easy day. I'm hoping, as long as everything fits. Okay, so we got that guy out. Wasn't too bad. Pain in the ass part was that guy. The shutoff was below that and there was no union, so I've got to put a union in it so it makes it not retarded. But yeah, the shutoff is all the way over there for the gas. Luckily they put 2 of them in, so I was able to shut that off. But other than that, I just have to remember the kind of messed up wiring they have for that board right there, which is not too bad. Rewire that humidifier control in correctly. But yeah, we're moving along pretty good. It's really nice when you got Bilco doors freaking 10 feet away from your truck and the outdoor. So I'm gonna lug all this stuff out, bring the new stuff in, and get started on that now. All right, now we're gonna cut the side open here for the new filter. My trusty very bit. These things now, because the turbo shears, these things are fucking fantastic. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall from the vibration. Side, so I don't lose all my crap. Pop that off. This can all come out. Perfect hole for the return. Just got to pop that on. It should line up perfectly. Screw that on, and then we can start getting some more of this install done. Okay, getting there. We got the drain all done, some wiring done. I gotta wire that thing in still. Gotta do the gas and the piping, and then clean all that up a little bit. The guy outside should be done, I would imagine. But yeah, I got a stream coming up that I want to wash, so no more time lapse until the unit's fully installed. So, but shouldn't take too much longer. Should take like maybe an hour total to get everything done, tested. So let's see if we can get out of here nice and early still. All right, we are all up and running. A lot of it looks like crap because it was all existing. But yeah, so we got the pipe in. We got that guy in. I mean, we got that right there. So that it should be okay with that. We might get hit with the inspector, but I mean, once he gets down here, he sees that the pipe's going out on that side of the building. There's really no other spot to run it and go through all that. So that should be more than adequate. We got all our wiring. We got the thing all in, zoning. We got the little safety pump that gets rid of the acid because we're in Jersey. Oh, and that's already pulling some of the delicious humidity out of the house there, nice and brown. That electronic air cleaner is hooked back up, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to mention that. But other than that, yeah, we're all good to go. AC's running, everything's good. It's freaking coming out nice and cold. Actually, it is 54 degrees. And it was 74 going in, so we're pretty much right on the money. Didn't really have to do anything with the charge. So, but all right, yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.